We just got done at Starbucks, so we just stopped at Burger King. We're waiting in line to get them some lunch because, you know, we have a long drive ahead of us. So we're gonna get them some food. I just wanted to show you guys my drink. It's like epic. It's a mocha with, I added marshmallow syrup and marshmallow whipped cream.
Thanks for choosing Burger King. What can I get started for you today? You're welcome.
I'm just Googling the exit because we never remember the actual exit that we're supposed to take. 37 minutes away. We finished our lunch. It was a little bit chaotic because I was trying to get the chicken nuggets to cool down for the kids. It can only be like lukewarm for them to eat it. Luna ate. Oh wow. She passed out. She ate 2 chicken nuggets and she ate like 4 fries and she's good. She passed out. I don't know if you can see her. And then Rory is just hanging out. Rory ate about 1/3 of a cookie and then he had 2 chicken nuggets and then a couple of fries. So I guess they ate about the same amount of food. And he's just been watching his tablet. He's been kind of picky about what he wants to watch. But right now he's watching the Spider-Verse movie because it's on Netflix, so I was able to download it. So that's nice. So he's been actually really good, very quiet most of the way. Just had that moment where he was upset about the cake pop, and the rest of the time he's been good. So far so good.
They took that exit out. Confused.
Yeah.
That used to go south.
Oh yeah.
There's too many lanes coming in at once.
Because these cars are coming from like Olympia. So I would say between Olympia and Seattle, it's yucky trying to drive. And then once you get up north more, it's not that bad. Until you hit Bellingham, then it's yucky again. Whenever I was a kid and we would drive through here, every time we hit the Tacoma Dome, my dad would always say a phrase that is a common phrase for people that live in the Pacific Northwest, and that is the aroma of Tacoma.
Yeah.
My dad would say, you gotta love that aroma of Tacoma, because as soon as you hit the Tacoma Dome, you're right in basically downtown Tacoma, and you can smell it. It stinks. I can't smell it right now, but when I was a kid, it was much stronger. And that's where began my distaste for the city.
Distaste.
Damn, this exit. Oh my goodness. We're like almost there. Can you just take the next exit?
That's what I'm doing. Yeah.
Okay, it's just funny. It's like no matter what you do, it's gonna happen. But we are almost to IKEA.
Take the exit.
It's just hollowness.
What in the world is going on?
So much weird shit I've seen other stuff.
Here at IKEA. There was 2 showrooms and then this couch area, so it's so busy here. I'm not sure how much vlogging I'm going to be able to do, but I'll do my best. Do you like it?
It's too big.
It's too big? This couch is crazy. It has one side over here and it has a table, and then it has another side over here with an armrest.
So you can sit with each other.
It's just crazy. So we just tried out this couch. It's really not that comfortable. This is the one we were gonna buy. What do you think of it?
It's just like the one we got.
Yeah. We picked this couch out on the IKEA catalog. We were gonna order it online, but I'm kind of thinking it's not very comfortable. This is pretty comfortable though. It's the same style but in a chair. Has a nice little ottoman too. I like this ottoman. This is the chair we have at home but in different colors. We have the gray one. Yeah, we have that one. But it comes in a lot of colors. Ooh, they have a leather one now. Oh my gosh. I like that. Yeah, this could work for our kitchen. That's a microwave?
Yeah.
Microwave, oven, fridge, cabinets. And then separately the stove, cabinets to store, and a beautiful hood. No more microwave. Yeah. And then some sort of kitchen island.
This is a nice kitchen.
Cute little lamp. It's so cute. Yeah. I got about this much space to walk. And Luna's crib is right there. I love this wallpaper. I think I want to put something like this in our room. Hi, Rory.
It's very big.
It's blank.
Maybe just everyone else take
Yeah?
It's in the window.
We like this bedroom because it has a bed, breakfast in bed, side table, plants, 2 big windows, a couch, a gigantic walk-in closet, a place to put the TV, a big bathroom with a double shower. There needs to be a jacuzzi tub in here. That's the only thing missing. And that's our dream bedroom. Rory, oh my goodness. Rory's making himself right at home. Rory. I think Rory has figured out what IKEA is all about. How does it go down? What? It's pretty crazy.
Endorsed by IKEA. It's free marketing.
Dan loves the office area at IKEA. It's his jam. We made it to the dressers, and I want to admit something. I really love the Pottery Barn style dressers that are like the square drawers, and it's very symmetrical. They have one here at IKEA now. It's new. It's this Brigga one. It's $270. I'd like to get that one for the kids, but there's a bigger one on sale. It's the coping one. Let's see. Oh, it's not on sale, it's just that price. Dan and I really like the hemness one for us. That's $279. It's our chair but miniature. So cute. Hi, Rory. I love these gym mats. They're awesome. $30. Did you find a panda? Okay. Okay. Rory just started having a tea party with his monkey. I like that clock. Thank you. Hey, Spider-Man tea. We made it to our table. Oh, hang on. I got the Swedish meatballs. Dan got Swedish meatballs. And then we love the princess cake, so we got some of that. Rory wanted meatballs too, so Luna and Rory are going to share that. I got an extra bowl for them. Luna! You asked for that. I asked you 6 times if you wanted that.
How about Luna?
It's for both of you. You like your food, Rory? Good boy, Rory, eating your potatoes. Time for princess cake.
Pancake.
I didn't want to eat your food. That's what I'm telling you.
I want to eat my food. That's when I eat my food.
Yum. I love this. It's so light and fluffy, and it's not too sweet. That's what I love about it. Luna!
That was mine.
She's fine with that cake. She's totally drooling. Honey, you better get a bite of that before they eat it all. What do you think, Dan?
I like the flakiness of it. I like how it's cool.
One more bite. Anna's shy. She likes to flirt with people. This lady sitting behind me and she's looking at her. You like the cake, Rory?
Yeah.
Good.
Yummy.
What's it taste like?
Huh?
What does it taste like, Rory? Spider-Verse? We've had to pick this thing up off of Grandma's. So we're just having a little cinnamon bun, some coffee. Rory's enjoying some ice cream. You like your ice cream? They used to have espresso here, but they got rid of it. It's kind of a bummer because I used to love their espresso. But we're just getting a quick little snack to give us some energy to get home because it's a long drive ahead of us. And these kids have had a long afternoon with us doing this, so they deserve a treat. We made it out of there alive.
Pick up Grandma's house.
What?
Go pick up Grandma's house.
You got a pig at Grandma's house?
Yeah.
Okay. So definitely a full day, like a day trip. We managed to get out of there in a reasonable amount of time. I got more stuff in the kitchen area than I thought I would. I'm really happy about what I got. And I got a few pictures that I'm really excited about. Dan, what did you pick out? You picked out this knife thing. It's going to be useful. We got both of the dressers that I was vlogging. I wanted to get the square ones, like the Pottery Barn style one, but cheaper. The Pottery Barn one is, I think it's like $1,000 for it's got square drawers. And it's like a big unit with, there are just a bunch of like square drawers on it. And I just think it looks really nice in the nursery. It just was smaller than the one we ended up getting. It was smaller than that and about twice as expensive. So we spent more money on the one that was for us, and then we got the cheaper option for the kids. So I think we made the right decision. We'll see if we have energy to start putting any of this furniture together. I think it's gonna look nice at the end. I guess I'll do a before and after shot so that we can see the progress. Yeah, this is probably gonna be our only big purchase this year, and the rest of our extra money is gonna go towards paying off credit cards and saving up for Disney. And that's pretty much it. I need to get a plan for Christmas figured out. I'm thinking for Christmas I want to do Bath & Body Works kits, because Bath & Body Works has some really good deals, so I'm thinking about doing something like that, even for the men, because Bath & Body Works makes nice products for men too. So I'll see what I end up doing. I'm happy with the results of this trip to IKEA. What do you think, Dan?
I wasn't as impressed with IKEA as I am usually.
I was super disappointed with the food. It was good. Like, I always love the Swedish meatballs and I love the cinnamon buns. I haven't had the cinnamon buns since they remodeled IKEA, because our IKEA is so just popular in the Pacific Northwest, like the Renton IKEA. So they needed to expand it because the other one just didn't have enough parking or anything like that. So they expanded it and it's really nice now, but I haven't been able to go to the cafe before because it's always so busy before they expanded. They had espresso and I don't know, the food tasted better at the old one. This cinnamon bun I had, it was good, but the bottom of it was all like crusted, like it had either been sitting for too long out or it was overcooked. I don't know. The other thing was just like the lunch food that we had.
Washington 18 West.
It was kind of cold. My food was to rearrange the kids' bedroom. It really needs to be done. I'm so tired of cramming Luna's clothes in that dresser, so I'm really stoked to be able to put their clothes in one cohesive spot and have it organized. So keep left. We're home. Time for a haul. I'm ready for this haul to happen. Got my bag over here. Here we go. I'm just gonna get started. This was the first item I grabbed, and it is a packet of chip clips. So it's a 30 pack, and this was only $3. So I'm really happy about that. The second thing I got was a apple slicer because Rory really loves having apples, and I used to have one of these, but it broke. Rory loves these. They're just little fruit snacks, but they're like all natural. They taste like fruit leather. They're fruit snacks. So I got 2 of those. He's gonna eat these fast. Just the little Swedish Dala horse. I thought these were adorable. Next up, I have really been needing mixing bowls. I don't have a set of mixing bowls, and I'm super picky. Like, I just won't commit to buying mixing bowls. I don't want cheapy plastic ones. Like, I don't like plastic. So I picked up a mixing bowl. It's the smaller one. This one was $4.99. Just a regular old stainless steel mixing bowl. I really like it, actually.
Mommy, you want me on this for me?
True. Rory, you broke my scissors. Oh my god.
Should have bought more scissors over there.
I almost did. I guess Rory's excited about that apple slicer. He's really into it. The other thing that I got from the kitchen section was one of these colanders for my big pot. So before I even met Dan, I went and I bought this pot at IKEA well over a decade ago. And it has lasted, I mean, I'm probably going to use this same pot until I die, honestly. It's such a great pot. It's held up over a decade. And sometimes I need a colander type setup when I'm making pasta or whatever, and I need a bigger pot. I found a big one. I was hoping it would fit. I think it's pretty darn close. Yeah. This is like a very snug fit. These are basically the same thing, just one's bigger. I bought this one a decade ago. I bought this one today. So it has changed a teeny tiny bit. Bought this pot at the same time that I bought this pot. Like, I bought these at the same time. But I was poor and I could only afford so much. So I decided to pick one up today, and they've changed the pot a little bit. It's a little different. It's not a perfect fit. But you know what? I don't care. It's good enough for me. I'm really excited about this. I almost did not buy it. It's the Cold Sam. It's an oven safe casserole dish, and I just really like it. It has the handles like off to the side. So I don't know, it's kind of different, but it's like basic enough that it's timeless, if that makes sense. That one was $3. It was on sale. So I was like, hey, I could use this, you know, it's a useful thing. So, and I need more stuff like this. So I got that. So this thing was a little bit pricey. It was $20, and it's a knife block. So it's not a traditional knife block.
It's a knife circle.
Do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, Dan picked this out. I think it's gonna actually come in really handy because the kids are getting older and Rory gets into the knives. So we need to get them up out of the drawer, because I don't like doing the baby proofing for the drawers and stuff. I just didn't want to do any of that kind of stuff with our house because I just don't like it. Yeah, I love it.
There you go.
So we're gonna do that for our knives because we have random Cutco knives. We don't have like a full Cutco set, but we mainly use Cutco knives. We have one Henkel's knife and a few others.
Ones too.
Yeah, we don't have like a matching knife set, and so we don't have a knife block. Dan's having fun over there.
It's pretty satisfying putting the knives in there though.
That's a good question. I don't know. I'll figure out what to do with it. But now Rory gets into it, and Luna's gonna start getting into stuff like that. So it's probably time to switch it out with something else. So that's why I said, yeah, let's do it. Okay. I'm really excited about this. We've been needing to get a new set of silverware, and we both agreed on this black set that IKEA had. Yes, thank you. These are the forks that we use right now.
Look at that size of my thumb.
Yeah.
I can't.
I don't mind them, but they actually, like, the tongues are too close together. They're too close together. You might as well be using a spoon. They don't really stab very well. We got this set. It was cheap. It was like $1.50 each piece. We bought like 6 of them.
This is my fork.
From Fred Meyer. This is where we got this set. This is the fork that Dan uses. Yeah. Yeah, this came from World Market, so that's why we've been looking at World Market to try to find
We just don't have
silverware.
a full set. And
Yeah, because they didn't have enough of those when we bought them. So anyway, we're happy about this because it has small forks in there for me, it has bigger forks for Dan, and we like the black. Yeah, we were debating on like a rose gold or a gold. They didn't have any.
Make a decision.
Right, it does help making a decision. And black is pretty timeless. Like, you can't go wrong. Pretty sure these are gonna last a while. And this was Tillagged, and it was expensive. These were $60. That's like the most we've ever spent on Sephora, I think.
Well, how many pieces do we get with the set?
4 of each. Dan is starting to build the, how is it called?
Copland.
Coping. I will show you the finished product when we're done. This cutting board, I got it for my mom. They like to eat delicious food, and that includes like breads and, you know, cheese boards and stuff. So I thought, wouldn't this be a cool gift for Christmas? This was $12.99 for this. Thought that my mom would appreciate that. Rory helped pick out their Christmas gifts. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to put with this. For the kids, we picked out one of these, you know, the track rugs. Luna is loving cars, Rory loves cars, and Rory was like, my Paw Patrol, when he saw this, because my mom has a Paw Patrol mat for him that they picked up from like Costco or whatever. So I'll show you really quick. So that is what it looks like laid out. So I thought, why not? It's small, it's inexpensive. $10 for this rug. So I will figure out where to put this. Rory was doing a little tea party. I really was almost about to get him that tea set, but I decided against it. We almost bought that. The last thing I have is pictures. So I was seeing a lot of really pretty artwork when we were doing our little walkthrough on the display rooms. And so the first one that I was super drawn to, it's Think in Magic. I just thought it was beautiful, and I was looking everywhere for it in the picture area, and I could not find it. So I was super bummed. But it was in the as is section, so they pulled it from the shelf and stuck it in as is because they're getting rid of it. So I was kind of like lucky that I found it, because I never find art that I like at IKEA, but I saw some good art today. So this was 30% off, and it was $8.50 for this. So it was this picture, and then it comes with this picture, this picture. So I just thought this was beautiful. When I was looking for that picture, I found another one that I liked that was in the picture section. This heart. I thought it was beautiful. Love it. This was $3 for this 3-pack. This beautiful rose and this beautiful fern. This is totally up my alley, like totally my style. So I don't know where I'm gonna hang these. Maybe in my bathroom, because I don't have a theme for my bathroom yet, and I've been needing to figure my bathroom out. So maybe I'll put these in my bathroom. I don't know yet. I'll figure it out. That's it. That's all I got for